Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Manoj Guttala. Today in this video we discuss about how to create a chamfer program. It means for creating a chamfer we need to write a CNC program, and today in this video we will see that how to write a program for creating chamfers. In my old videos we discussed about how to creating step turnings program. Okay, we created the step turnings by using G01. Okay, it's the basic program writing. And now see, by using G01 we can also create these chamfers, and in this video we see how to create this type of chamfers in this video. And let's start how to writing the program. Okay, every starting of the program it's common. Tool need to be in its home position, U0.0 and W0.0. Then tool need to be called something as your wish. You can write T02, 7, 8, 10, 11, your wish as your tool position. And the next, rotate the chuck. For rotating the chuck I use G97 code, and G97 is surface spindle speed. Letter M03, it means spindle rotation in clockwise. And later, if you want coolant you can add coolant by writing M08, and you should mention the particular speed. I will take speed as 550. Speed yes indicates 550 speed. And end of block. Now we see, suppose we think we had a rough component like this. Okay, step turn component, and now we need to create chamfers like this. For this, see, as usual, x0, first writing the program we should know x0 and z0 of the component, and let's take x0 as the center of the component. It will be constant for every lathe, it will change for milling. And now see, z0, I will take z0 here. Okay, I will take z0 here. You just imagine that it is the tool, it will be someplace here. And now see, at first we need to bring to here the tool, so we write G00, rapid speed or rapid movement, x0.0 and z some distance more forward, or you can write directly, you can bring to this point. Okay, it will be 0.0 as your wish. For safety you can move aside also, it will be 1.0 as your wish, your convenience. And now we bring, for this statement the tool from here travels to here. Now we should move some length, but how much length it is not mentioned here because we missed this dia. So we should find this dia. How we find? Here you can see, in diagram there is 2 into 45 degrees angle, means it will be considered to be, I will drawing in bigger way here. Okay, I think you hope understand. We have this bigger dia 30, and for this we don't have, and we have this dimension as 2 into 45 degrees. So now you consider this as a right angle triangle. When you see it like this, then it will be 2 and some angle 45 degrees. So here we use some little trigonometry here to find this distance. Okay, we don't know this distance, we will find here. So we use small trigonometry formula. Tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side, opposite by adjacent ln. Here we know the opposite value as 2 and tan value as theta value as 45. Then from trigonometric values, tan 45 degrees equals to 1. Okay, if you want to know, you can also calculate from the calculator you have. And let's see, then we find adjacent here. Adjacent equals to opposite by tan theta. It means 2 by tan theta means tan 45. It implies 2 by tan 45 is 1 and the value will be 2. So the distance is 2 here. So here we got this both x and z distance here. So it will be 2 mm means consider this distance is 2 as is given. For symmetrical objects it will be both sides, so same 2 here also. So 2 plus 2 4 and we minus it from this dia, we can get this dia, it will be 26 then. Okay, I hope you understand, try to understand. And here we also got x need to travel for 26, and how much distance did jet travel? It is 2. Okay, because this distance we got here is 2 from the calculations. And now start writing. G01 x from here to, it means 26. Now we should move for 26. 0.0 feed giving is most important thing. Okay, and later for this statement it will move here and we should create a chamfer here. So we write G01 x, our tool need to move to 30 x 30, so x 30.0. then you should write before after x you should write z also for creating chamfers. It means z we got something 2, it will be minus 2.0. oh sorry, I forgot to mention feed 0.5 you think. It means here we created the tool from here, it will be moved to here, and here we have this chamfer. Okay, and our tool is here, then we should move to this point, it will be G01 z. See, from that means here, I think it is here, it will be 35 minus 35. Okay, 0. Here I'm not giving the feed, particular feed, because I have enough feed of 0.5 is enough for all. That's why I've stopped giving the feed. And for this statement the tool here moves from here to here. Later here we need to create a chamfer. For creating chamfer, what dimensions we have? See, I think there is no dimensions particularly mentioned here. For the first chamfer we have some this 2 into 45 degrees, but if there is no dimensions, particular dimensions, we should find out from the difference between the lengths. We see here, we see Z length, and we have here to here 20, and from the starting Z0 to here 35, but middle distance we don't have. To find this, we have total length is 60. If we separate from 60 these two lengths, we can get this length. So 20 plus 35, it will be 55, and minus 60, it will be become 5. So here we have Z distance. Later we see X. Here X is so simple because here we have two dimensions, but here we don't have it. So we used to all this process to find these the dimensions and this distance, but here simply it's the difference between the lengths. So this is the easier way. When he gives like this, in the diagram like this, we can write easily. So now we can write easily G01 X, the point from here to here, it will be 35, and Z we got here 5, but we should not write here minus 5 because the tool calculate from the Z0. The Z0 is here, so we need to add these two distances. 35 plus 40, sorry, 35 plus 5, 40, it will be minus 40.0. okay, from this statement we have also created this second chamfer. For that, finally our program is complete. We should end this program from here by moving to some distance. G00x 1.0, Z 1.0, boom. Then bring tool to home position, G28, U0.0, W0.0. We on the check to rotate, then we should off it. We use M05, and we also turn on the coolant. So M09 to turn off the coolant. Finally M30. Here program is end. While you give the M30, then the program will stop running. I hope guys you understand all this, how to create chamfer. See you in the next video. If you didn't see the step learning program, you can go through the link provided in the description. I hope you will understand. Thank you. See you. Bye.